what if I'm trying to factor some trinomials, but this one, look at it, it says x squared minus 3x equals 10. Well, that's not in the right form. What do I always have to do before I can actually solve it? You always, 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 always have to get it equal to 0 first. Lots of exclamation points. You always, always, always have to get it equal to 0 first. And if it's not equal to 0, it's not ready to go. So let's think way back. Just solving equation-wise, how do you get something equal to 0? Well, if I look right here, this 10 is problematic. And so I'm just going to come in and draw a line. If that was my line and I wanted to get this equal to 0, well, how do you get 10 equal to 0? Like, what do you even do? I have to move that 10 to the left side. And I do it by minusing.
That depends on what it is.
Uh-oh. Siri's talking to me. That's not Siri, that's Alexa. Alexa, I didn't ask for your help. So, that...
I'm not sure.
So here I just subtracted that 10 from both sides. So I get 0 over here. Now, one of the problems is people are like, where do I take that 10 from? Well, first of all, this is an x squared. Does that minus 10 have an x squared? It does not. So I can't take it from there. This right here is a negative 3x. Does that negative 10 have an x on it? No. So I can't take it from there either. It's a constant. And so what I end up with is x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals 0. And at this point in time, now I can solve it. So why don't you go through and solve that really quickly for yourself and see what's going to happen. All right, so I know that I've got x and x. So x and x. What multiplies to give me negative 10 adds to give me negative 3. I'm going to go with these two. I'm going to go with positive 2, negative 5. Does that work? It does. So if I do the work in here, I get positive 2x, negative 5x. Those together give me negative 3x. So there we go, that equals 0. Now you might be a little bit further and be able to find solutions to those, but we're not going to do that in this video because my goal is just the factoring piece. All right, so look at number 2. You've got your x squared, that's all fine and good. You've got your 11x, but then do you see the equal sign right here and the negative 18 is on the other side? Well, that's problematic. How am I going to get that negative 18? Well, what do we even do with it? I know I have to equal 0, so what's the opposite of negative 18? Plus 18, plus 18. Now, does this 18 have any x's on it? It does not, so I can't just scrunch it in with the other stuff. So I've got x squared plus 11x plus 18 equals 0. Go ahead and solve that. Push pause if you need to. Ooh, what's going to give me 18? 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. Anything else? No. All right, plus and plus. So multiplies to give me 18, adds to give me 11. Did you come up with that? So I get 2x, 9x. Does that give me 11? It does. So I don't use this stuff for my work, or that's just my work. I don't use that in my solution. So x plus 2, x plus 9. All right, do 2 more on your own, and I'm going to come back and just flash the answers. All right, your solution to the first one, x plus 2 and x plus 5, if you want me to prove it. I know that 2 times x is 2x. I know that x times 5 is 5x. Does that give me positive 7x? Yes. So I have done it correctly. This one Did you move the 14 over? So you were actually factoring x squared minus 9x plus 14, not minus 14. And if that's the case, so negative 7 times negative 2 gives me positive 14, and let's check out the middle. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Does that give me negative 9x? It does. So my solutions in blue are what we need. Hopefully this is starting to get better. Just keep checking if you need more examples. Maybe try Khan Academy and see if that helps you, or find some more resources and see what you can do.